sisters, I feel that there are a lot of surface changes now and in summer. That kind of makeup that is shinier and brighter? But I just want to do it the other way around today. That kind of low saturation matte eye makeup is drier. I think you look like in summer. Very comfortable, and then I feel like my recent face is from morning. If you plant it late, if you wear that brighter waterlight eye makeup, I'm afraid it will be more foamy. So we're gonna get a matte finish today. A little bit to reduce swelling, it looks like it wants to be clean. So I packed up to apply a makeup bubble serum. Then use a pink one, this anti-aircraft. Sun isolation, by the way, you can do the pre-makeup color adjustment step. If it feels pink, it is not as cold as men's. It is more suitable for most sisters to watch. For the base makeup, use a matte one and then use a more makeup holding one. I will also choose this color. A little whiter. Sprinkle on the ground before use. Pink powder quick pat under the lid. Take a look at the simple base and we can come to repair the appearance. I look at it this way. Many sisters in the comment area say that their makeup is dirty or... Yes. There are no pictures, so let's fix the appearance and brighten the step. Just take a little thought. Especially if you want a sister with more photogenic makeup, you should use it. This kind of grooming pen is used as a base. If it is a novice sister, you can. You can choose this kind of pen with its own slope arc, so that the painting can be accurately stuck into your mountain roots and nose. Eye sockets, where shadows need to be deepened, Let's describe it first. The structure of the nose. Because I want the whole makeup today or a little more not, so let's say this one. The nose is drawn slightly pointed up. Strengthen the chin and chin here in the human body, which is really easy to control. The texture is really silky. Put the bridge of the nose here because my nose is narrower and brush it. A little wider. Or is it part of the eye socket connected to the eye socket? The results are emphasized. Head. The easiest way to use a soft stick is that you can see it directly with your hands. The texture is still very silky. Sisters, take a look at a few simple strokes. My nose will get up and then add it. This color is more neutral. Is it the gray-brown one? It's more natural. We can put it. Bring the cheekbones here and our lower ones. Part of the jawline. I recently learned to 1. So here's the trick. Now, visually your jawline turns from here and it starts over a wide area. If you trim your face, we can use a puff to smudge it like this. Its texture is really good and moist, so it won't be mushy. I really want to integrate on. It's very natural. We match it with cream to brighten it and use it directly. The other end is liquid to brighten it. Generally speaking, it is on. Tear ditch. And nasolabial folds, the corners of the mouth here. If you have to, give it a little bit. The entire bridge of the nose is segmented a little bit. Or pinch the puff and pat it open. If it is the beige tone, it is more suitable for our Asian yellow skin. Feel it this? The texture is very. The light and thin one can cover the original base color. It's that very light, flat effect, and then I'm going to brighten the chin here too. For my chin, it's a little crooked and shorter, so this. You can also brighten it in 2 places and extend this chin. I feel overall I highlight this. The difference is still very big, so I feel that after brightening, it will be more soil-friendly. The face is also cleaner, just where the face we just trimmed. It will show more color, and then we will also put it on here, with the middle belt brought to the eyelids. Next, foundation. The facelift is already done, we can set the makeup a little bit, only the eyebrows. When painting, you can deepen and trim according to the concentration of eye makeup. Let's draw a picture with this color. Lower eyebrows, the overall feel of this makeup today is still a little clean, so when the eyebrows are drawn. Who sao do you do? Use another gray brown. Colorly bucket eyebrow pencil, make this eyebrow shape more delicate, and draw the line between the eyebrows for him. Liquid foundation is. The way you use cloth will flow. Li Ju. If you have to be empty, you can order makeup and use the plate of -03. A few years ago, I particularly liked 02, but now I think this plate is more textured. I like this color with eyelids on a base. Use this color again, paint normally for the first half and then along. It's a little longer like this. Lower eyelid to outer octave. Dip this deepest color along the brush and stick ours. Deepen the root of the eyelashes, add the feather powder and use it directly. This brush. The eyeshadow shadow hooked with a slight thickness is more natural. Then a matte white to brighten the fog powder of eyeshadow saliva. Then let's fill in the inner line with a black glue pen. If you are here, I will. They have a little one. Describe one. Change one bit. A little darker color, I just had that eyeliner part. Divide it and smudge these hairs. I think it's a little long. I'll put the eyeliner first. Wait a minute after painting. For comparison, I just pull a little tail right from the end of my eye. Just brush this a little bit. Lower eyelashes, ladies. Look at the eyelashes on both sides. They're different. I feel the atmosphere is different. Edge, chingy edge. It feels more subtle and then torn. I'll deepen this facelift for it first. Put a little humidification on the nose and I will trim my face. I think it's okay. Then we set the makeup on the whole face and put it in this face. Alone to brighten the eyes. Just go here to brighten it up. We also need this with our eyebrow blush. Plant grayish pink with a looser brush. If you gently take the whole thing like this, don't have any boundaries, and then use this. A little bit higher. Light. The teacher uses this sheet. Smudge this lip area.